Hello guys, good morning. May pupuntahan ako guys, no. May i-meet ako na kasama ko sa trabaho guys. Dati, ngayon part-timer na lang siya. Kasi nga nag-i-schooling siya, no. So magkikita daw kami dito guys kasi malapit na lang daw siya dito sa tinitirhan ko. Kaya pupuntahan natin guys. Hello guys. Ayan, maglakad-lakad daw muna kami guys. By the way guys, she's not my girlfriend. She's my very special friend.
Yes, 5 years. So
5 years, yes.
5 years. So
My special friend. She's not my girlfriend, ha?
his special friend with special needs. With special needs.
Thank you, my dear, for the information
Of
you guys.
course.
Hopefully, will be success.
Yes, I want to see your daughter in Malta. Studying with me, MCAS.
Yes, thank you. By the way,
Salamat.
salamat.